Hi, today I'm going to show you how to fix screen resolution problem in Windows 10. So if you want to do it, you need to click right mouse button icon of Start, and then you need to open Device Manager. After that, devices available on your PC will be displayed here. But of course we are interested in to open here display adapters. And now we need to click right mouse button on one from available graphic cards. So I will click right mouse button on Intel Air HD Graphics 530, and then I go to Properties. Now I need to open Driver tab, and here I have special option, update the driver for this device. So I click here Update Driver button, then you will be asked how do you want to search for drivers. We need to select first option, search automatically for drivers, but of course if you have any drivers on your PC, you can select here browse my computer for drivers, but I will click this one option. And after a moment, new drivers should be successfully installed. Remember that you can always install drivers manually if you want. In my situation, base drivers are already installed, but your drivers should be updated here. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to check links in the description.